Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can activate Talkback in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. Talkback will be useful for using phone by low vision people or blind people. Okay, see here how to activate it. Just go to the settings of our phone here and then go to shortcuts and accessibility. And then go to accessibility, then go to Talkback and turn on the button against use Talkback and give all permissions.
Talkback on.
Now Talkback is turned on.
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader
To select
intended
particular
for situations
item,
or people who have
just click over the
text
item,
button. Double tap to activate.
and then if you want to go to that particular item, just double tap on it.
Explore by touch. Page 2 of 5.
For example, if you want to go to the home screen, just click on the home screen
Home
button here
Window navigation bar.
and double tap on it.
System home screen. Play Store.
If you touch on particular item, phone will read out what it is, and you can hear the voice, and according to it, yes, if it is okay for you, then you can go for it by double tapping on it. For example, if you want to open Google Play Store, just double tap on it. Okay.
List 4 items.
Then
Home button out of list. Window navigation bar.
I want to go back.
Button.
Okay. Double tap on it.
System home
Okay.
screen.
If you want to open the notification
Double tap
area
to activate.
with the 2 fingers, slide down like
Google
this.
search. Edit
Okay.
box.
Notifications area will be opened.
Notification shade.
See here.
Alarm set for Friday 5 a.m. 0 kilobytes per second.
So in this way also you can navigate. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.